My name is Eric Peters. I am a project manager for the Edge AI and Vision Alliance. I want to welcome you back from our break this afternoon. Our next talk in this room is from Ram Tadishetti. Ram is a principal software engineer for Expedera, where he leads the development of the entire Expedera NPU software stack. Ram is going to talk a little bit about how LLMs present challenges for software stacks, and he's going to talk about some of the ways that those software stacks are evolving to meet the challenge. So please help me welcome Ram Tadishetti.
Thank you, Eric, for a great introduction. Hi, everyone. My name is Ram. I work with software in Expedera. Today, I want to talk about LLMs and the challenges they pose for efficient inference on them, and also considerations if we are building a software stack for them. Before going deep into presentation, I want to go a little bit of history. When ChatGPT or the similar style of applications were introduced a couple of years back, I was amazed by the intellectual capabilities of them. The sense, these models or these things are not just an inference engines. They are able to reason it, and they have some intellectual capabilities to it. Like any curious engineer, I went behind what is the math behind these models. I was kind of intimidated by the amount of insane compute and memories which go into running these models. Now, deploying these things on edge is going to be much more intimidating. It's almost like cooking a full course meal on a small kitchen burner. So today we are going to talk about what all considerations we need to take care while planning that kitchen. Before I go into technical details, I want to briefly introduce about our company, Expedera. Ours is a Silicon Valley Series B startup specializing in building optimal and scalable NPU IP based on our revolutionary packet-based architecture. As a part of business and technical approach, we focus on inference, which includes optimizing both hardware and software stacks for specific needs of customer, which can be changing based on network or different PPI requirements. Even though ours is a startup, we have a significant success we have significant commercial success as we have our IP licensed in data centers, smartphones, consumer devices, and automotive markets. Our customers have shipped more than 10 million devices. In fact, as I speak, hundreds and thousands of devices with Expedera IP will be shipped this week. Yeah. Now let's get into the planning of the kitchen part.